back to your channel. In this video, I will give you one more script for conducting school's assembly in a perfect manner. So without wasting any time, let's get started. A very scintillating morning to our esteemed principal sir, coordinators, respected teachers and my dear friends. It is a proud privilege for me and my classmates to present before you our class assembly titled Dash by the students of class Dash. Prayer is talking to God, the creator of this world. So let's start our assembly with the presence of God. My friend Dash will conduct the morning prayer. One small positive thought can change our way of thinking. So let us be very serious with shaping our thoughts with positive attitudes. I would now ask my friend Dash to share with all of us today's thought of day. Newspaper informs what is happening around us in the paranormal world. So to wind the happenings of yesterday, here comes Dash for today's news. Everybody have a special day in their life. Yes, it's their birthday. Today some of our friends are celebrating their birthday. Let's wish them. Pledge is a way to show our love and respect to our nation. So be ready for pledge. Today we are concluding our assembly with the famous quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you successful person. Bye guys, this was a conduction video. Meet you in the next video. See you soon. Be realistic and explore your creativity. Bye.